Jack,
Oh my God.
Natasha, this van, you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it patience. Because this van was patient. We started this journey in 2020. 2020, and it's almost 2022 right now. I'm really excited. Jack and Natasha, here's your van.
Oh my God! Wow, amazing! Oh my God, it's so cute! Oh my God,
You're a big
so
guy.
little.
It's okay for you, right?
So I can totally
Yeah.
get it.
This is Natasha's van. You're gonna have your own.
I'm just the driver and sleeping here, that's all.
You're gonna get another one.
Wow,
Let's
that
get
is
a check of Natasha's van. Kathleen really did a great job. We got your Ultraman, Hot Wheels.
Beyond expectations. I mean, I'm the function guy, so everything that I needed from a bed to the toilets to the sink and all that worked great, but they made it look spectacular. I mean, it is high class. It is a great van. Yeah, I've been dreaming about this for years and years and years, so for it to come to fruition, just awesome.
Just beyond expectations. So awesome. Paul's been great. Everyone, the whole team, Kathleen, everyone has been really awesome.
That's what you do this for. That's why I got into this. Seeing their reaction today, it's just, there's no better feeling in the world. I wish I could do one every day, but there's so much work that goes into building a van and putting a team together and the design, and there's a lot of moving parts. So all of that work put together, and to see the reaction today, that they said it's better than they could have imagined. I mean, that's all I would ask for in the world. So that's just awesome. Natasha,
Wow.
here are your keys, your new van.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers.
You're welcome.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
I'm never leaving.
It was hard expressing how excited I am because it's the beginning of a whole new chapter for us. But I'm getting a little emotional just thinking about it. But driving off is just going to be great. And I would recommend Drifty Vans to anybody.